Alright guys, check this out. I'm going to be doing a review on this Cashew Raspberry Chia gluten-free kind bar here. So check it out. There's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. I'm just going to do a quick taste test. So these are on sale. So people always ask me for snack options. I'll give this a go, see what it tastes like. Okay, so you do get the raspberry aroma from it, but this whole thing is coated in sugar. So, and they use glucose syrup. So as you can see right there, they use glucose syrup to coat it to make it stick together. Other than that, it tastes like a nut bar. That's what it is. Really mild raspberry aroma. I wish they put more raspberries in there. But other than that, check it out guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.